Guys, welcome to this video. We are continuing the topic factorization of quadratic polynomial. This is the part 2. In earlier video I have shown you how to factorize by splitting the middle term. Now again I am continuing the splitting the middle term method, and I have taken in these examples I have taken the value of a. So now this is your topic from class 9. Earlier examples were based on earlier your class 8 syllabus. Now here this is the higher level, little difficult level it is. Try to understand, but splitting is the same way. Now let us see now. Let us begin. 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. This is the polynomial. So you take the polynomial. No need to write p of x. Now what is the a term here? 6. So this a term will be multiplied with this c term, and take care of sign. Now 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30, and this is plus 30. This is the change between the last examples and this examples. There was 1, a value was 1, now a is other than 1. So that is the change only. Method is exactly same. So plus 30. Now what is the sum? We have to split the middle term. Middle term is plus 17. So that should be taken as sum. And factors will be again, now both are positive. So one factor will be plus and another factor will be 2. Okay, both will be in the same sign. If this sum is negative, then both negative will come. So 15 plus 2, 17. 15 to the 30. In your textbook, this type of diagram is given, like this can be solved. So plus 30 here, this is the product, and this is the splitting of the middle term, plus 15 and plus 2. You can do here also, plus into plus, plus 15 into 2, 30, and sum 15 plus 2, 17. So split the middle term 17x into 15x plus 2x. Now as usual, take first two terms and next two terms. Now see that between 6 and 15, which is common? 6 factors are 2 and 3, and 15 factors are 3 and 5. So which is common? 3 is common. So therefore 3 will be common and x will be common. And how to obtain this bracket? By dividing 6 by 3. So use the table of 3 on 6. 3 2 ja 6. 2x. Sign will be same here. 3 5 ja 15. Divide 15 by 3, or use the table of 3 on 15. And here nothing is common. So here 1 is common. Plus 1. Nothing is common means we can take 1. So write the bracket as it is. Again you see that these two brackets are same. So 2x plus 5 and the remaining two terms in another bracket. Got it, guys? The change is that only a into c. Now let us take second example, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. Now again you see that product will be 2 into 3, 6. Plus 6. And what is the sum? Plus 5. The factors will be plus 3 and plus 2 plus 5. Add 3 plus 2, 5, and multiply. Plus into plus, plus 3 2 is 6. And proceed. So split 5x into 3x and 2x. Now here nothing is common. Between 2 and 3 nothing is common. Only x is common. So x common, 2x plus 3. And here again no term is common between 2 and 3. There is no common factor. Common factor should be taken as 1. 1 is always common. So 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 again common, and x plus 1. Let us take another example now. 12x squared plus 5x minus 2. Now what is a value here? 12. And what is c value here? Minus 2. So 12 into minus 2, minus 24. Now product is negative. And what is sum? Sum is plus 8. Now remember one thing, when the product is negative, then you have to find the two factors whose difference is 5 and product is 24. So you see that 8 and 3. Now difference, take the difference, 8 minus 3, it is 5. And 8 3 are 24. Now what about the sign? The greater number of these two factors will have positive sign. So which is greater, 8 and 3? 8 is greater, obviously. So 8 will be plus and 3 will be minus. Remember one thing, when product is negative, then both the factors will be of opposite signs. Concentrate on this. If it is minus 5, then I would have taken minus 8 here and plus 3 here. That also can be shown. You can practice it. Change the minus sign, plus sign into minus and get the factors. So let us see again. Plus 5 is split into plus 8 and minus 3. So split the middle term here. And then first two terms and the next two terms. Now between 12 and 8. This 12 can be written as 4 into 3. And 8 can be written as 4 into 2. And 4 is common. So 4 maximum common should be taken. First 2 is also common, but 4 is also common. So take a bigger number, bigger factor. So 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. Here nothing is common between 3 and 2. So we'll take minus 1 common. Why minus 1? If we don't take minus 1, then we'll not get a plus. So take minus 1 and this sign, minus sign, will change into plus. See, note this point. So it will be 3x plus 2 and 4x minus 1. This will be your factorization. Let us take the last example in this connection. 3x square minus x minus 10. So now what is the a term here? 3. What is the c term here? Minus 10. Find the product. 3 into minus 10 minus 30. And this s. Now what is the sum here? What is the b value? It is nothing. No value is given. 1 we should take. So s is minus 1. Now again you see that product is minus 30. So we should take the two factors whose difference is 1. You can have 4 and 3. You can have 5 and 4. Any. You can have 6 and 5. See, difference is 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5. So obviously now 6 5 are 30. 4 3 are 12, 5 4 are 20 and 6 5 are 30, means our factors will be 6 and 5. Now here greater is 6 and smaller is 5. Greater factor or greater number will have this sign of the middle term. So what is the sum sign? Minus. So therefore minus 6 and plus 5. That is the system. So obvious, take minus 6x and plus 5x splitting. Take 3 common now. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 3 is common, x is always common. So 3x, x minus 2. And plus 5 you take, plus 5, 5 2 is 10. So plus is taken outside, then no change in the sign. Sign will remain same. And again you see that these two brackets are same. X minus 2 and 3x plus 5. You can write this bracket here, doesn't matter. These are the factors. Now these type of examples are given in your exercise 2.4 CBSE NCERT book, exercise 2.4, and that question number 4 is there, which is based on today's example. So guys, I have completed your factorization of quadratic polynomial in part 1 and part 2. Okay, thank you.